welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, guys, it's another unboxing. So, magpuro unboxing na lang muna tayo. Ayan. For today's video, I do have another Amazon finds. And andyan sila. By the way, I did some unboxing as well from Poshmark. The first one that I opened today is this one. Ayan. Another Adidas. This is a crop top Adidas. Ayan. Medyo nahihilig tayo sa Adidas recently. Ayan. O, diba kagaya ng suot natin ngayon. Ayan. Ay, ewan ko ba? Bakit bigla akong nagustuhan yung Adidas na style. So, ayan. Oh, siya. Ang ganda, diba? Bago pa. And, I got this at a very good price. Yesterday, may dumating din na box and I can't wait to open it. Binuksan ko na siya. Hindi ko na record. But, I'm going to show and share it with you guys kasi the last time, yung in-unbox ko yung Louis Vuitton na bag. Ayan, sabi ko, mag-unbox ulit ako. And, ito na siya. Yung MCM na Liz shopper tote na medium. Ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda niya. Bago pa siya, sis. O. Ayan. Tapos, malinis pa siya. I love it. O, diba? This is a very great deal. Wala lang siyang dust bag, pero, ayan, ang linis pa niya. As in, it's like new condition. Ayan. Oh, diba? It's so nice. So, ayan, pag nagipit na naman tayo, i-resell ulit natin para wag tayong maburyo sa bahay, para may pambili ulit. O, diba? Ang ganda. Tingnan mo, walang ka-wear-wear. Kasi nga, it's like new condition. Pati yung smell niya. Ayan. I'm thinking if I'll be keeping this or if I'll be trading this or kung i-resell ko siya. So, ayan. Di na ako nakapagpigil kahapon. In-unbox ko na siya. And unfortunately, hindi ko na-record kasi hindi ako nakapag-ready. So, binuksan ko na lang siya kasi I have to release then yung payment dun sa seller. Kaya, binuksan ko na siya. So perfect. I love it. O, diba? And today, ayun na nga. Ito yung pinakahihintay ko. Dumating na din siya. So, it's a great deal. Puro great deal naman tayo. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman tayo bibili na hindi great deal. So, ito na siya, guys. Ayan. It's another Louis Vuitton bag. Ayan. Yung binenta ko yung bag ko, Neverfull GM yon. So, ang Neverfull kasi, may tatlo siyang sizes. It's PM, MM, and GM. So, GM is yung pinakamalaki, or giant. Ayan. MM to naman. This time, it's an MM size, yung kalagitnaan. And, it's an awesome, condition. As in, parang bago pa siya. Ayan, hindi pa siya masyadong dark yung kanyang bacheta. O, diba? Hindi pa siya honey patina. Ang pa niya. Tingnan mo. Tsaka, hindi siya madumi. Yung sa akin kasi, medyo madumi yung, parang may watermark siya. So, parang nag-dark yun. Ayan. Diba? See? Ayun. Yung kanyang tatak. And, ito ang kanyang date code. Andito yung date code. Ang hirap niya lang ipakita, but that's the date code. Ayun. O, diba? Now, the only issue with this, though it's in great condition, tsaka great deal siya. Ito ang kanyang signs of wear. Ayan. Ito naman kasi yung normal na wear ni Louis Vuitton. Yung pag nagagasgas siya, color white, parang sa mga pintura. Kahit sa mga ibang listings, ayan. Hindi naman siya yung sira, but yung scratch lang siya. Siguro na scratch sa wall, di ba? Madalas yung mga wall color white. So, ayan, if you accidentally scratch, ayan. Hindi ko pa siya kasi nililinisan. So, I think I'm going to try to clean it. Ayan. Ayan siya. O, diba? Parang, ewan. Pero, for its price, it's okay. Ayan. Yung corners niya. At, ito yung napansin ko. Meron siyang gasgas. Ayan. Ito. Sa kanyang canvas. Ito. Ayan. Meron siyang napakaliit. Para makikita mo na yung, ayan o, yung red sa loob. Diba? Ayan. But, you know, it's okay for me. Ewan ko lang kung sa resell, ano niya, kung katanggap-tanggap siya if we resell it. Ayan o. O, diba? Pero hindi naman siya butas. Kasi, dito sa loob, wala naman. Hindi naman siya through and through. Parang may bakas lang din na malapit na siyang mabutas. Okay. And when I asked the seller or the owner kung anong nangyari, sabi niya nagasgas daw ng tiyan. Diba? Pero that's okay because it's a very good deal. Ayan, hindi naman siya halata. Ayan, ito siya. Dalawa. Ito, scratch lang yan. Pero ayan. O, diba? Nabenta ko yung isa. Tapos, ayan, nakabili ulit tayo ng bagong kapalit. And, ayun. O, diba? It's so nice. So, dalawa na siya. Dalawa na yung ating tote bag. So, ayan. Pag na-board tayo, benta ulit para may pambili ulit. So, ayan nga, guys. Tapos na tayo sa mga nabuksan ko na. Pinakita ko lang kasi nga hindi ko sila na-videohan. But now, let's go to our main event. It's another Amazon haul. It's another Amazon find. And these are something that I'll be using. And these are something that is gifted to us. So, let's start with this one. Ayan. Meron siyang battery. So, ito pala siya. So, first one is, ito guys, it's a jump rope. Ayan, it's multifunctional smart electronic count jump rope. O, diba? Napaka-arte. Ayan. So, it is included in our fitness keme. Ayan, kaya tayo order. By the way, this is gifted, no? So, let's see what's included inside. Ayan. Color black kasi yung pinili ko. So, ito yung isa. This is what's inside. Ayan, meron siya nito. It's a bag and this is for the jump rope. Wireless siya, guys. It's a wireless jump rope. Smart electronic count jump rope. So, wireless kasi pwedeng ganito lang siya. Ayan, and it's battery operated. Ayun, o diba? Narinig nyo, nag-beep. We don't know how to set it up. So, let's see. It came with the manual with this bag. This one, kasi nandun siya. Ayan, para dito siya. Or, kung gusto mo yung normal na jump rope, eto siya. So, let's just put this aside and then, ayan, ito yung ating first unboxing. And, the next stuff is this one. So, let's see. Baka arte-arte. Wireless na jump rope. Okay! Oh, it's so small and it's so cutie. Ito. Now, this one is a walkie-talkie and this is for kids. Let me open it for you guys. Ayan. So it came with this one. Oh, it's so small. It's so cute. Ayan, pambata nga siya talaga. Oh, it's so cute. Ayan. It's so small and it's so cute. This is for the kids so they can play with it. Ayan. So, in 2 colors. Let's see. Meron din siyang instructions. Ayan. It's from GoCom. And let's check. Kaya lang kasi, ito kasi nilalagay siya sa leeg. And this is what my hubby hates. He doesn't like anything to put in our kids' neck. Kasi syempre, ang disgrasya, kahit naman, di ba, pinanunood natin yung mga bata. Ayaw niyo yung, madisgrasya na, masakal. So, I don't think we're going to use this. I think this walkie-talkie alone is okay. And yes, I can't wait to try it with my kiddos. Ayan, so we'll play this tomorrow. It's so cute, it's so small. O, diba? So, ayan, we're done with the second unboxing. Now, the third one, ayan, this is the third one, and wala akong, ayan, ang dumi. Wala akong pambukas, but okay, nabuksan natin siya. Okay, so now this is lash lift kit. Ayan, umorder ako nito. So perm lotion. Ito siya, yung pang perm ng eyelashes. So, best product for perming eyelashes. Ayun. So, ito, 3 products lang ang ating in-unbox today. But, I have 3 other more na pinakita ko sa inyo na I bought from Poshmark. So, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. Until my next one. Bye!